somebody. I'm just as shocked as them. Who would have thought? Wow. Hey, welcome back. I'm Dana with your daily dose of Dana Doves, and it's slime time. Today we're watching That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, Season 2, Episode 13, and I'm super excited to get into it. But of course, before we do, please do make sure you support the official release of this episode before watching with me. Alrighty, y'all, time to press play. Oh, I love it so much.
I am the storm dragon Veldora Tempest. Revive! And those who defy me will be slaughtered.
I feel like the voice doesn't fit the face and the body, but it's okay.
For real? Where did you hear something so tropey?
So
Well, I was really bored, so I analyzed your memories and read all that manga stuff you had in there. Get this.
Sounds about right.
I can now play shogi at the master level. Wait, since I'm the storm dragon, make it the Ryuo level.
Gotcha. I'm glad
I
to hear
love it.
life in my
The
stomach
drama.
was so awesome for ya.
I love the fit too.
I'm free after all this time, but you're being very cold.
It is a
My
big deal.
freedom came more quickly than I expected, though. I thank you, Rimuru Tempest. Dearest BFF.
BFF, really? That's so outdated.
So sweet. I love it.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Did you get an evolution gift too?
Yes, indeed I did, my
The
friend.
eye
As it would
sparkle.
turn out, my unique skill Inquirer has evolved into an ultimate skill. It's called Faust. Cool, right? Behold,
Okay.
it's the ability to reach the ultimate truth.
Oh, that makes sense.
Completely
Especially
tuned him out.
considering my great sage skill evolved into Raphael.
Yes, that is not all. Analyzing the remains of Veldora has given you a new ultimate skill, which is also called Veldora.
Of course.
In addition, using the unique skill Unlimited Imprisonment as a basis to consolidate each of your abilities, you have successfully acquired the ultimate skill, Uriel.
Wait, that means I have
Lord of
4
Vows.
ultimate skills now?
Wow.
It does mean that.
Wisdom, storms, gluttony, and vows. It's
Great
like, wow, I
news,
am.
buddy. That also means
so
you and I are
powerful.
practically invincible now.
Yes.
I say we relax and just go with it.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I'm so happy. Veldora is finally free, and he's gonna be a part of the story. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Okay, I must not watch, right? I think you guys did tell me not to watch. But if you guys are liking the vibes, please do make sure you like and subscribe so you'll be notified when the next one comes out. Y'all, it's a great old time over here on the slime side of the internet. We gotta keep watching together. I'm super excited to see what's gonna happen in this season. I can't wait to see. I keep trying to look. I can't wait to see more of Veldora. It's gonna be so fun. He's such a ball of light, and especially now that he's free, it's even more reason to celebrate. I'm super excited. I'm a little sad for Ifrit because he's gonna be alone now, but it is what it is. Also, comment what you guys are doing while you're watching with me today. I always love to know what's happening on the other side of that screen. Judging by the little glimpses I keep getting of this intro, y'all, I can't not watch it. It looks like it's gonna be quite epic. We're gonna have a lot of fight scenes, a lot of battles, and a lot of characters we haven't seen in a while. I like the song as well. Let me show my flames. Okay.
My first time outside in centuries.
Oh, at least he got some
tastes
sunlight.
So sweet.
Listen, you think you can tone down the enormous aura? You're gonna scare the crap out of everyone in town.
He's
Yes,
like, good.
Of course, I'll try.
Let them be afraid.
Suck it in or whatever.
I see that technique.
Technique?
Okay,
Kind of
Goku.
reminds me of a shonen manga. Hey, not too shabby. The Death Aura is much smaller now.
Wow.
You
Amazing.
may thank the wisdom found in the sacred texts that contain all knowledge of the world.
Man, I knew this was something you saw in a manga.
Yup, the Dragon Ball kind. Just in reverse.
Hey everyone, I'm back.
Oh my! Lord Rimuru, you're safe! We were so concerned, we suddenly sent signs that the storm dragon Veldora somehow returned to this land!
Oh,
You did, but we'll get to that in a moment.
yeah.
First, I need to introduce you to someone. Everyone, this is Veldora. He's a bit shy around new people, but try and make friends, okay?
They're like, what? Silence. They're all so confused. He's like, oh yeah, this is
Well,
what I was
that's
waiting
not
for.
true. I'm not shy around new people in the least. It's just difficult to make friends when adventurers rarely make it to you alive.
Trainee.
It's Trainee.
So what you doing here?
Our guardian, Lord Veldora.
Mm.
Allow me to congratulate you on your triumphant return.
You must be a dryad. I remember your kind. Thanks for watching over the forest of Jura for me.
I'm unworthy of your praise.
Mm.
Such a small task is in no way enough to repay you for taking in me and my sisters.
What a welcome.
Especially when we were all separated from the Queen of Spirits.
It was nothing.
I love his laugh.
Our Lord!
He really is the Storm Dragon?
Whoa, you gotta be kidding.
Keep
Nope.
taking good care of Rimuru for me. Though I suppose you'll be taking care of me too.
Hey, why would anyone need to look out for you?
Sir?
What is it?
Lord Veldora, excuse me, but what is your relationship with Lord Rimuru?
They're like Rimuru. Who don't you know?
Shall I tell you?
Yes, if you please.
Listen closely.
This is my bestie.
This is my dear friend, the other half of my soul, my bosom buddy.
Oh.
My bosom buddy.
Bosom buddy.
Cool. I'm just
Bosom
gonna die from
buddy.
embarrassment now.
And they're all like, wow, so
So
cool.
you're friends with Lady Melina and the Great Storm Dragon as well?
They're like, man, we're following the right guy.
Yeah, at this point, nothing surprises me.
Just what you'd expect from Master.
I have to agree.
By the way, why have you taken a new form, my lord?
Rimuru had this body prepared for me. Well, impressed.
Of course, you look
You
wonderful.
like it?
I know, right? I'm awesome.
Oh, he's so cute.
Everything makes more sense now, especially considering how you appeared to us right after Lord Veldora's aura initially vanished.
I kept it on the DL. Originally, I thought it would take well over 100 years to free Veldora, so I didn't say anything because I wasn't about to invite in any extra trouble, you know?
Very wise.
If you're ready, the preparations for the feast are complete. Right.
There's always a feast.
You guys, we've been through some tough times lately, but for
Yeah.
right now, I say we eat, drink, and forget about all that other stuff. Raise your glass. Here's to life.
Oh, that looks good. Whatever they're eating. Oh, oh my. I knew it would be Gobta.
We turned into a party wild enough to put fraternities to shame. We celebrated life and being alive
Oh
together.
my. Oh my. So fun. That's good. I'm glad to see them all having so much fun again.
And a rolling attack from behind with a forward punch.
Oh no. You know what happens when she gets drinks too much.
Not much longer until it's done.
They're like, great. Oh. Oh.
Why am I here?
Because it's dangerous to go into unknown battles alone.
You want me to die?
What do you like?
Perhaps by some miracle it might actually be good.
Not even a miracle can save us from this fate, Benimaru.
Thank
The smart thing for him to do would be to transform into his slime form again. So then he could eat it and not taste anything. You know, it would be smarter that way. Because, well, now you're going to taste every lump and bump and gump and goop and... Great. Wow. Oh man, look at the little monsters on the side. Watch, the butterfly's going to die.
No need to hold back.
from
I'm
the
in a
fumes.
huge pot.
Shion, you do know what the word cook means, right?
Of course I do, Lord Rimuru. Look at it. It's amazing.
You just throw a whole onion in there, skin roots and everything. The tomatoes still have all their stems which you're supposed to remove, and I don't even want to know what the deal is with this bird foot thingy that still looks alive!
Believe it or not, I have a little trouble with chopping up produce.
Yeah, I can
always
believe it.
take out the whole building with the stems.
Hold up, you destroy whole buildings when you're chopping?
Yes.
Ah!
My Hercules edge is fantastically sharp, but I'm afraid it's a bit on the long side.
Oh boy.
Use that for cooking?
Yep.
Oh boy.
Since I was a child, I've always thought nothing was impossible. But it seems I was overconfident.
I don't even know what he's trying to say. Listen, Shion, a sword is not an appropriate cooking tool, understand? You should use a smaller, much less destructive knife to chop.
To use another blade would be infidelity. I shall not budge.
Oh
You don't
boy.
say. I was gonna give you a cooking knife as a gift, but never mind now.
I was wrong. I made a mistake. Even Hercules edge says a little infidelity is fine.
I see.
This is a little
Moving
fidelity
forward,
is
use
fine.
a proper knife. Got it? Right.
Oh my goodness. Oh, one horn.
Not that a new knife would really help our situation. I doubt what we're about to eat can even be classified as food.
I love the shaking.
I'm a true demon lord now, so eating this probably won't kill me, right?
Why would you start with the whole onion? That's foul. What should actually taste good? They're like, wait a minute.
Tastes good.
They're like, what the heck?
It looks like a witch's brew, but tastes awesome.
How? What's the meaning of this?
They're like, you've gotten
You
better.
must know, when we were receiving gifts from Lord Rimuru, I prayed that I'd be better at cooking. So
Oh.
my gift is the unique skill Master Chef.
Master Chef?
Truly?
Thanks to my
I'm just as shocked as them. Who would have thought? Wow. Okay, I guess don't judge a book by its cover, huh?
new ability, anything I cook tastes fantastic no matter how I make it.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. Thank goodness. Right, Benimaru?
Yes, I'm glad. Now we won't die.
Not the tears of joy.
Yes.
They look terrible, but it tastes amazing. Yum.
Yes, yes. Even if it is a soup of nightmares.
There's enough for seconds, too.
That won't be necessary.
That won't be necessary. They're like, don't go too far now. I think one is enough.
That night, we learned an important lesson. When it comes to cooking, appearances totally matter.
And a quick shout out to the Dana Dubs Nation. Thank you so much for watching with me every single day. I really do appreciate you guys sticking with me here. It makes the journey so much better, especially now, y'all. I've been crying so much with all of these shows. I need the moral support, so thank you so much. And an extra quick shout out to the Dub Nation Plus members on YouTube members, Coffee, and Patreon. You guys are making the dream come true, not just for me, but also for the editors, so thank you so much. If you guys want to join the Dub Nation Plus, scroll on down to that join link down below here on YouTube for some early access content. Head over to Coffee for just some general support, or to Patreon for some early access to some shows that won't be here for quite a few months, and also they're uncut. I update the names here every single month, so thank you so much to all of you. I can't wait to see what's going to happen next in this episode, so let's get back to it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look how drunk they got. They're just
Now
passed
then,
out in the
I'm
street.
sure you're already familiar, but let me introduce him anyway.
They're
This
always
is
on the
Diablo,
outside.
the one who saved me from certain death. He's new here, but he's really strong and dependable. So I plan to put him to work as a second secretary.
I always think it's funny with his, I don't know, is it like his watch chain or something? It looks like intestines hanging out of his pocket.
I'd like you guys to treat him well.
Hello, it's a pleasure to make your acquaintance, and thank you in
Hello.
advance for all of your guidance and encouragement.
Teach him the ropes of the job for me, Shion.
Yes, sir, as you wish.
Oh, and Gabiru?
Sir!
As of today, you're in charge of development. It's a temporary position, but you'll be at the top of the ranks. I'm counting on you.
He's so cute.
I happily accept. I shall devote myself to this honorable task.
I love Gabiru. Look at them hyping him up from outside. Gabiru, Gabiru, let's go. Gabiru. Oh my gosh, I feel so proud because someone messaged me saying that I've helped make them more of a Gabiru fan, and that's the best thing you could have told me because I love him so much, and I'm glad more people are loving him too.
Okay then, I'd like to discuss our plans for the future. Yom and the Three Beasketers, this involves you guys, so please stick around and listen.
I'm guessing you've got an idea?
And hopefully it has something to do with the rescue of Lord Carrion.
So, I chose to become a demon lord.
Mm-hmm.
We know.
Just like we were there.
I said a demon lord. Yes, like a real one.
And your point is? He's so cute.
You're already a demon lord. Right, of course. What I meant is that I'm going to announce to the whole world that I'm a demon lord.
I understand. By announcing this, you mean to pick a fight with the other known demon lords.
Yes, exactly right.
Yes.
But even more specifically, one dude, Lord Clayman.
Lord Clayman. All right.
I get
Clayman
it.
time.
You want to steal the Demon Lord's throne yourself. Interesting.
Yep, the guy who orchestrated the recent attack was Demon Lord Clayman, and I have no intention of letting him get away with it. After that, I told everyone in the room about my idea. It was
Most
a
people we've
lengthy
ever had in the
meeting
room.
between cleaning up the Kingdom of Balmu, the need to keep the Western Holy Church in check, and the rescue of the Demon Lord Carrion like we'd promised the Animal Kingdom. There was a lot to cover. Hey, Rigurd,
Sir!
handle the talks with the Western nations.
Right! I'm at your service, Lord Rimuru.
Benimaru,
Sir.
gather the results of everyone's evolutions. If we want to make use of all of our forces against Clayman, then it's vital that we know what our strengths are.
Okay.
Understood. Leave it to me.
Shion,
Yes?
interrogate the war prisoners.
Of course, it would be my pleasure.
And try not to take it too far, okay?
I'll show some restraint.
I sure hope so.
It's not
Yo,
gonna be any
Huron.
restraint.
Yes?
Go assist Shion. Try and get them to tell you what they know about the state of Falmouth. As much as you can.
You can count on me, Master. It's gonna be my kingdom after all.
Yeah, that's true. This is the most casual we've seen Rimuru ever dressed. I find it very interesting, the choice of clothing that they gave him with the hoodie. Huh.
I also have a task for the 3 Beastketeers if you guys don't mind.
You are the leader of the Forest of Jura. You need only ask us.
Just give us your orders. We're ready and willing to do whatever you want.
Good. For the time being, rebuild your strength for the upcoming battle.
Right.
Hey!
Rimuru! I got here as fast as I could in accordance with the security pact between Bloomund and Tempest.
Wow, it's Fuse?
There were so many dead in the city. How could those Falmouth bastards be so cruel?
No, they're not dead. They just drank too much.
It's not much, but I brought 50 fully armed soldiers with me.
He's like, look at all these dead people just littered all around the city. He's like, nah. They just partied a little too hard.
And they're prepared for the worst. Falmouth's main army doesn't appear to have arrived yet, but fortunately the King of Bloomund has also sworn to mobilize the knights in his army.
Whoa, Fuse!
I love
Slow
his
your roll,
poses.
man.
Oh, forgive me, did you already have a plan or something?
Yeah.
Kinda just went over it all.
Actually, about that.
Would you prefer to keep it secret?
That's not it either. To be completely honest, I really do appreciate your concern about us, but the fight's kind of over.
Sorry. What was that again? How is it kind of over?
Well, you know,
Been there, done
stuff
that.
happened. And then I sort of, I don't know. I guess the best way to describe it would be I wiped them out.
Meaning?
I destroyed the Kingdom of Falmouth's whole army. Just completely
They're all dead.
annihilated them.
It's like, I do not comprehend. He's like, wait, for real?
Yeah, I get how you feel. Why don't you go relax in the hot spring for a bit?
He's like,
Okay?
yeah, I think that could help.
Show the soldiers to the inn and tell them to rest up. They came all this way, so we should be hospitable. Right.
Come on, let's go.
No way, I've got more questions for Rimuru.
Huh? There are more visitors.
Besides us?
That's right.
Notice.
Yeah.
30 Pegasus Knights approaching. They are led by the king of the armed nation of Dwargon.
I love their
It is
feet.
the individual by the name of Gazel Dwargo.
He's like, I've come to help. Sorry.
Hey, Raphael.
It's done.
Yes?
It's gonna be a hassle to have you giving me every little detail on someone when they show up, so keep it short, okay?
What do you mean?
I don't know, just save it for the hostile visitors or whatever.
Understood.
Understood.
Hello there, Rimuru. Well met. I heard you're a demon lord now.
You
Well
heard
met.
right. Things have been kind of crazy. You've got great timing, though. We were just having a big meeting to discuss our future plans.
How fortunate. It's best that I also take part in this meeting.
What's up?
What?
She's like, you didn't tell me to tell you that people were coming, so I didn't.
When did they get here? Universal Detect didn't sense anything.
Notice. I detect no hostile visitors within this group, so I did not alert you.
Oh, right.
She's like,
Suppose
exactly
I
what you
did
asked
say it
for.
was a hassle earlier. I'm sorry, okay? Please give me clear reports from now on, wise Raphael.
Who are you people? Show yourselves!
Well, well, those are some bold words from a king who likes to hide underground. Though I would expect nothing less from you. What is shocking is that a coward like you would actually go and back a demon lord.
Ah, yes. If it isn't the descendant of elves who loves to live in ridiculously high places. What's wrong was there too thin up there in your divine city? Though, with that body, it's unlikely.
Why, yes, you have an excellent eye. It was made using an artificial human. A homunculus is perfect when you're meeting a demon lord and want to be careful.
Whoa, a homunculus so elaborate that I couldn't tell it apart from a human. I wonder if you'll teach me how to make one.
Allow me.
I love how
These
that's
people
where his
come
mind
from the
goes.
sorceress dynasty of Thalion. I see you haven't changed, Arrow.
Thalion.
Neither
Oh, we've heard
you,
of them
Gazel.
before.
Pray tell, who's your new friend?
Oh, hey, nice to meet you. The name's Rimuru, and I'm the leader of this forest. What's up?
He's like, you?
That's enough! It's you, the seductive demon lord! How dare you take my daughter!
What?
Well, I hope you've made your peace, villain!
Who could his daughter be?
Flames that burn, dance, and rampage.
Okay, Naruto.
Flicker and pour in the rich.
Whoa, that escalated quickly!
Notice. This is an extremely high-level explosion spell.
But why is it aimed at me?
The flames burn,
I
dance, and
love
rampage.
explosion spell. Oh my goodness.
Enough! You
Oh. I love how she stopped him. You stupid idiot.
Dad, you can't just go around exploding things.
Oh, Aaron, thank goodness you're all right, sweetie.
Yeah, of course I'm all right. I'm here on my own free will, you dummy.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. I do apologize. I received a report saying my daughter had been taken by a demon lord, so needless to say, I panicked a little.
Okay, that's fair, but it was just funny because he was about to launch the biggest explosion spell on Rimuru, and everyone was just kind of standing there like, wait, what is he doing? No one tried to stop it or anything. They were all just watching it get bigger and bigger. If it wasn't for her coming, they would have been screwed.
Dude almost nuked us.
I see you're still an overprotective father.
I am not overprotective.
You could say
I'm
that.
looking out for my daughter. My sweet little princess.
Do you even hear yourself? Oh, well, that's a father for you, I suppose.
I'm sorry, Rimuru. This extremely stupid man is Harold Grimwald, the Archduke of the Sorceress Dynasty of Thalion, and my father.
My father.
Leader of the Great Forest of Jura and ruler of the monsters, it's nice to meet you. My daughter has aptly explained it, but allow me to say again, I'm the Archduke of the esteemed Sorceress Dynasty, Harold Grimwald. By all means, feel free to call me Harold, though.
Sure thing. Well, Aaron is nobility.
Mm-hmm.
Guess I should have expected something like this. So did you only come here because you thought I bamboozled your daughter?
Well, there may have been another reason.
I figured.
I wanted to see what could keep Erin away from me for so long. She and her companion seem to have become quite attached to you. So I have decided that I will also be taking part in this meeting of yours.
Great. Yep.
With that, the big important meeting to determine what Tempest would do next.
Look at Tempest.
Begin.
Nice. Okay, y'all. Well, that was a great episode. So much happened, but I love that it felt so happy to watch. Oh, I like the song in the end. It's very vibey, especially with the way that the animation looks and the colors that they chose. Tim and Veldora. But yeah, I really did love that episode. That was a great, it feels like not necessarily the start of a new season, but kind of the start of a new season. So I love that it feels like we turned the chapter and we closed the sad book and now we're on to the exciting one. You know, they had a couple of episodes that were quite dark and then now we're back to the slime time. You know, it feels good to watch. It makes me feel happy inside. I can watch with a smile and laugh and just enjoy all of the characters. I love getting to see Veldora again, and especially this outro scene. It's so sweet watching them together and bonding, and I know I'm gonna love getting more Veldora. He's just such a fun guy. And yeah, I'm excited to see, I guess, their adventures together, and then also all of the new characters and the new relationships, and also to see how strong everyone truly is post Demon Lord transformation. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'm excited to continue on to the next one. Of course, please do make sure you like and subscribe so you'll be notified when the next one comes out so we can keep on watching it together. It was so good. I really love the slime time and it just feels so good to be happy about it again. You know, those past few episodes, I was like, oh gosh, they're trying to destroy me. But I knew, you know, I know this is just such a happy-go-lucky show, you know, so it couldn't have lasted too long. So I'm glad it didn't. But if you did watch with me here all the way till the end, comment the dragon emoji because I do love seeing Veldora and I'm excited to get even more of him. I do love his new form, so we'll see. Comment that just so I know that you stuck with me all the way till the end. You're part of the endgame squad and I really truly do appreciate it. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I will catch you in the next one. I do upload a new video of a new show every single day, so we can just keep watching and watching and watching and watching. So till then, I'll see ya. Bye.